Most travelers rush straight through Orléans on the way south in France, but that would be a huge mistake. Behind these streets lies one of the country's most historic cities, filled with Joan of Arc history, hidden Renaissance buildings, and incredible architecture. We decided to have one full day in Orléans, just walking and exploring the city. After breakfast, we headed straight into Centre-Ville, and wow, this place surprised us. Located along the Loire River, Orléans is packed with history, yet somehow feels overlooked by many international visitors traveling through France. Almost immediately, we noticed the mix of medieval streets, cafes, elegant squares, and beautiful architecture. The city is forever connected to Joan of Arc, who helped lift the siege of Orléans in 1429 during the 100 Years' War. Her presence is everywhere throughout the city. One of the biggest highlights for us, the scale of the cathedral is incredible, and inside are stunning stained glass windows dedicated to Joan of Arc. One of the true highlights of Centre-Ville Orléans is Hôtel Groslot, a remarkable Renaissance mansion located directly beside the cathedral. Built between 1550 and 1558 for Jacques Groslot, a wealthy magistrate and influential figure in Orléans. The building immediately stands out with its striking red brick facade, elegant stone carvings, and richly decorated interiors. Despite the name, this is not a hotel in the modern sense, but rather a grand private residence, what the French call an hôtel particulier. Over the centuries, Hôtel Groslot became deeply connected to French royal history. Following the death of King Francis II in 1560, Catherine de' Medici stayed here alongside the young King Charles IX, temporarily turning the mansion into a royal residence during one of the most turbulent periods in French history. Later, the building became Orléans City Hall for nearly 200 years. Inside, visitors can admire ornate ceremonial rooms, chandeliers, painted ceilings, grand fireplaces, and lavish Renaissance detailing that genuinely feels frozen in time. Unlike some of France's larger palaces that can feel crowded and overwhelming, Hôtel Groslot offers a quieter, far more intimate historical experience. And for most visitors, it ends up being absolutely worth the visit. What stood out most about Orléans was the atmosphere. It feels historic, relaxed, and authentically French, without the overwhelming crowds you find in larger cities. This ended up being one of the biggest surprises of our France road trip.